This is my normie. Actually, screw that.
Right. So that sound you made reminds me of this video. First
Me?
few
Yeah.
seconds. Yes. When you were letting the dog down.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's in the first like 8 seconds. But that's just stupid girl talk. It's
Yeah, that's probably
Skyrim
me.
Skyrim animation. There's a little girl doing the lumber mill where you like take the log off the stack, toss it onto the cutter.
Feel too seen right now.
Mama says I'm not girlish enough. She lift up. But that's just stupid girl talk. Yeah, gamer poop is one of my all-time favorites. You ever taken a swim in the Olenelta? Take care you don't get bitched if you do. Folks say it's teeming with nipplefish. One almost bit off my left nipple tit. Here, take a look. And then the
MP,
fish jumps out and bites his other nipple.
does the MP5K need a rail or can I make one?
There's
Like,
an
or does it?
MP5 rail.
I know, but we don't have one,
I
so
think it uses the Riz or the.
there's
Well,
no
you
risk.
can probably make one. I don't know.
Where's
The
Nev?
RIS you could use with the Z223 scope. Maybe? I think it's only from Russian pattern rifles away.
I don't think you can put the improvised rails on the MP5. I think it only takes the MP5 rail. The RIS adapter is for Russian guns.
Rip.
Could be a small rail, because there is that short rail. It does say it's for shotguns, but I'll check. We've got all that stuff. Short improvised rail. Yep, you can put a short improvised rail on it.
Yeah?
Yep. And then you can put a red dot, you can put an ACOG, a hollow.